Welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables in pots on your balcony or other small spaces. Today I am going to show you my Limequat tree grown here in Toronto, Canada. Yes, you can grow citrus in Canada. This, as you can see, had a bit of a rough winter. I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. You see some of my other citrus fruits. That's my Meyer lemon, my Valencia orange, and as you can see, my Limequat had a bit of a rough winter. I don't think the roots were warm enough, and I definitely did not have enough light, so it lost quite a few leaves. The exciting thing is, though, as it's gotten hot and warm here in Toronto, we're seeing all kinds of new growth sprouting up. So what is right now a very bare looking tree, you can see there's probably like 20 shoots coming out all over the place. In about a month or so, this tree is going to look awesome. And now what I love about the Limequat is these limes. It's a cross between a kumquat and a key lime, and so you can eat the entire fruit. The peel is very sweet, the inside is very tart. They're absolutely delicious in the summer. I'm going to keep you updated with how this grows throughout the summer. Just a couple key tips here. In terms of soil, you want something very fast draining, such as sand. I use peat moss, which helps retain water but also helps drain it. Citrus really hate wet feet, and if it gets too wet, they will die. I've killed a citrus tree by overwatering. So with this new mixture that I use and my self-watering pot that I've hacked, check out my video on how to hack a self-watering pot to eliminate root rot. This is by far the best setup I've had, and this tree thrives. You can see it's got some limequats left over from the winter that we're growing, one that I'm going to eat very soon. And there will be all kinds of flowers all over this thing in about a month, and I'll give you another video when that comes up. In the meantime, if you have any questions about growing a limequat in a pot, let me know in the comments section. I will be happy to answer any questions that you have.